Welcome to our UW lesson, Foundation Stage 2. Learning objectives. Learners will be able to identify rotation and revolution of the Earth. Learning outcome. Learners are able to identify how day and night occurs, rotation, how season changes, revolution. Children, do you remember what we learned last week? Yes, we learned about solar system. This is our Earth in space. It is the third planet from the Sun. What is day and night? The side of the Earth facing the Sun is day. The other side of the Earth experiences night. Children, do you know how day and night occurs? Let's find out. The Earth spins around a line called the axis. You all must be wondering what is axis. Axis is an imaginary straight line around which the Earth spins. This movement of the Earth is called rotation. Rotation of the Earth is what gives us day and night. Only half of the planet Earth can be facing the Sun, and the other half will not be facing the Sun. The side facing the Sun is in daytime. The side not facing the Sun is nighttime. It takes 24 hours or 1 day for the Earth to do one turn on its own axis. We can have a look on the day and night shown on a globe. Let's play a game. Can you help me sort different activities we do during day and night? When do you do your homework? Night or day? Correct, daytime. When do you eat your dinner? Night or day? You're right, night time. When do you put on your pajamas? Nighttime or daytime? Good job, nighttime. When do you wake up? Night or day? Keep it up, daytime. When do you go to sleep? Night or day? Very good, nighttime. When do you go to school? Night or day? Excellent, daytime. When do you brush your teeth? Superb, in the morning as well as before going to bed. Wow, my children, you all did an awesome job. Keep it up. Day and night occurs because of rotation of the earth. We do different activities during day and night. But I wonder how seasons change. Do you have any idea? Seasons change because of revolution of the earth? Children, do you think revolution is same like rotation of the earth? Let's find out. Rotation means spinning round and round at its own place. The earth goes round and round at its own place. Revolution means at the same time earth moves around the sun. It takes 365 days or 1 year for the earth to go round the sun. Let's do a quick recap. When earth moves on its own axis, it is called rotation. The earth moves around the sun. It is called revolution. It takes 24 hours to do one rotation. That means 1 day to complete one rotation. It takes 365 days, that is 1 year, to complete one round around the sun. Children, I wonder how seasons occur during the revolution of the earth. Let's watch a video.
Hi guys! Have you ever wondered why we have seasons? Why spring always follows winter? Summer comes after spring? And autumn after summer? To understand why this happens, you need to know how our planet Earth moves in space. We already know that the Earth is the shape of a sphere. It rotates around its axis. The axis is an imaginary line that goes through the North and South poles. The Earth is also surrounded by another imaginary line, the equator. The equator divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. Not only does the Earth rotate around its own axis, it also revolves around the Sun. The path in which the Earth revolves around the Sun is called the orbit. Therefore, the Earth moves around the Sun like this. Throughout the year, the Earth is exposed to the Sun on either its northern hemisphere or its southern hemisphere. When the northern hemisphere points toward the Sun, it experiences summer, while the southern hemisphere experiences winter. And vice versa, when the northern hemisphere points away from the Sun, the southern hemisphere gets more sunlight, creating summer there and winter in the northern hemisphere. So what are spring and autumn then? Spring is a transition from winter to summer, and autumn is a similar transition from summer to winter. Now it's winter in the northern hemisphere, but the Earth continues its journey along its orbit, and winter is changed to spring. Then comes summer. And summer is followed by autumn. After autumn comes winter, and everything starts all over again. The same thing happens in the southern hemisphere. Although when it is wintertime in the northern hemisphere, it is summertime in the southern hemisphere. Now we know why we have 4 seasons on Earth.
Let's do a quick recap of the 4 seasons we learnt in the video. Winter season, spring season, summer season, and autumn or fall season. The winter season comes in the month of December, January, and February. It is the coldest season of the year. The spring season comes in the month of March, April, and May. The summer season comes in the month of June, July, and August. It is the hottest season of the year. The spring season comes in the month of September, October, and November. Reflection time. You can make a model of rotation and revolution using your own creative ideas and upload your creation in assignments. Thank you. See you next time.